How to throw a dart. I'm Sachthemotive, they motivate you. First things first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn our hand into a pistol like this. Okay, I'll hold it this way. So we turn our hand into a pistol like this. Relax your hand, don't make it too tense. Just keep it relaxed, but keep it like a pistol. You take your dart and you place the tip on the bottom finger, just there. Like this, the bottom finger. Okay? Just place it there and keep it above the top one. So make sure it's touching both fingers like this. Okay? You're going to take your thumb and put it on the first finger, the top one. So it looks like this. So that's how you're going to hold your dart. You see that? Automatically, you're already holding your dart. I'm going to do that again. Pistol, keep these two down, these two up. Dart tip on the edge. On the top one is out, and bring your thumb on your top finger, which is this finger, like this, and hold the dart. And that's you holding a dart. Right. Now the throw. If you're right-footed, you put your right foot a little bit forward, okay? And you lean in, okay? So if you're right-footed, right foot, vice versa. Left-footed, left foot. You don't want to lean too forward, you're going to fall over. Now, lift your arm up. I want to just show you my arm. Right. Lift your arm up like this. Pull back. Get a nice vision of the dartboard with your eyes so that it's in line with your eyes. And then release. And that will be your first ever throw. So well done. If you can't throw it first time, remember it takes practice. Make sure you throw it about 50, 60 times. You might get your first one after 100 tries. I don't know. But that is the way to throw your first dart. I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. I hope that helps you. And I hope that helps you throw your first dart. Go win some games. Go show off to your friends. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.